2026 Audi S5, a symphony of German engineering, athleticism, and elegance. But Audi didn't just polish the surface this year, they've redefined what the S5 stands for. With bold styling tweaks, an interior worthy of a concept car, and powertrain upgrades that will get your pulse racing, the 2026 S5 is no longer just a luxury coupe, it's a statement. So, is it the best performance coupe for the money? Let's find out. From the very first glance, the 2026 Audi S5 makes its intentions known. The front fascia gets a sharper, more aggressive update, with Audi's redesigned single-frame grille now sitting wider and lower, giving the car a more planted stance. Flanking it are digitally animated matrix LED headlights that not only look like they belong in a sci-fi film but also adapt intelligently to traffic conditions. The profile? Sleek. Purposeful. With sculpted body lines that cut through air like a blade. And let's not ignore the new 19-inch turbine-style wheels, lightweight, aerodynamic, and undeniably sporty. Around back, quad exhausts are tucked into a deeper, blacked-out diffuser, while the OLED taillights create a unique light signature that's customizable via the infotainment system. Step inside, and you're greeted with a blend of tech sophistication and plush comfort. Audi calls it a driver-focused lounge, and we'd have to agree. The 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus returns with crisper graphics and new drive mode visualizations. At the center, a new 11.9-inch MMI touchscreen integrates haptic feedback for a more tactile response, controlling everything from navigation to the 3D Bang & Olufsen sound system. But let's talk about the heart of the beast, the engine. Under that sleek hood lives a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6, now producing 385 horsepower and 395 lb-ft of torque. That's a modest bump over last year, but it's more responsive thanks to a reworked turbo system and a mild hybrid assist. The 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission is buttery smooth yet brutally quick when needed. And of course, you've got Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, intelligent, rear-biased, and ready to grip through corners like it's on rails. 0 to 60? Just 4.3 seconds. Top speed? Electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, but it feels like it could go much, much further. Add in the adaptive sport suspension and optional dynamic steering, and you've got a car that's just as comfortable carving up canyon roads as it is cruising on the Autobahn. Of course, Audi didn't forget the tech-savvy crowd. The 2026 S5 includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 360-degree camera, and a head-up display that now projects navigation cues, speed, and even performance data. So how much will this sleek slice of German precision set you back? The 2026 Audi S5 starts at around $59,500 for the coupe variant, with the Sportback and Cabriolet options creeping into the mid to high 60s depending on trim and options. Sure, it's not cheap. But when you compare it to competitors like the BMW M4 40i or Mercedes-AMG C43, the S5 strikes a fine balance between performance, comfort, and that signature Audi refinement. The 2026 Audi S5 isn't just an evolution, it's a quiet revolution. It doesn't scream for attention, it earns it. From its razor-sharp looks to its well-balanced performance, Audi has built a car that speaks to both heart and head. Whether you're carving through corners or cruising the city at night, the S5 reminds you, sophistication and speed don't have to be opposites. If you're in the market for a luxury sport coupe that nails almost everything, this might just be your perfect match.